And we are in front of the new California Ocean for the 2025 year with the pop-up roof, and we shall be entering inside to check how they managed to fit and to design this great California. So we are already checking the back with actual almost double bed, actually approximately 1 meter, 1 meter 10. Then we have these pocket units for your belongings, and from this side we have the sliding door for your belongings, and then the fresh water is actually hooked up here with actual hook for your outdoor shower. Additional storage on the lower part, and if you look from the front part, we have a small kitchen area right up there, and actual open now pop-up roof that you fall down and get an additional sleeping area. Let's check it from the outside. Pretty great.